Welcome to MarineMax of Minnesota. My name is Josh Simonson, and today I want to walk you through this 2024 Sea Ray SLX 260. So the 26-foot in length Sea Ray SLX, and the SLX is the premier lineup of boats for Sea Ray. So lots to show you on the interior. On the exterior here, just want to show you the color scheme is the Horizon. Very, very good looking color with the black on the side as well. So lots to show you on the interior. Why don't you hop aboard with me? All right, thanks for joining me aboard this SLX 260. So we'll start in the back here. You've got some very nice space back here to hang out when you're anchored somewhere or just hanging out by a beach or something like that. There's a lot of storage in that back corner. You lift that up, very deep storage. You can fit a lot of things back in there, and the battery switches are back there as well. And there is a built-in cooler that you can use. Put some ice in there, put your drinks in there. Very easy to open up. You can access it in the back as well. So, and then when you want to come into the cockpit, you've got a nice step down into the cockpit area. You've got your sea decking all the way through on the floor, so very nice to have. And then when you have your guests aboard, you've got some seating on this side, and then wraparound seating all the way over here. You can see there is an option for a table that can go, and then that table just sits right in the middle. Obviously, everybody can kind of sit around that table. The engine, this is the engine hatch right in here. This is the Mercury IO. This is a 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower engine in this 260. And then we can come up to the helm here. So up in this helm seat, we've got a nice Sea Ray seat here. It does have a nice bolster, so if you do want to get up above the windshield as you're driving, you can do that. We've got the nice digital throttle here with the 350. You've got your start stop right here by the push of a button. I've got a place for a phone down there, and it's a wireless charging port, so you have that. I've got a place up in here just to put some miscellaneous things. And then up here we got the dual SIMRAD screens. You can have your engine information on one side, you can have your boating information, your lighting, anything you really want, you got it on both sides here, and you have redundant, so you can do one side here, over there, very, very easy to use. And speaking of the lighting, as we look around the cockpit area, you can see that there's lighting underneath the seats. Really cool to have. You're going out for a kind of a night cruise. It looks really, really cool. So let me open this up. This is the nice head. This is got a sink in there. You've got some storage in there, and very roomy for a 26-footer. So your guests can use this head unit if they'd like. Onto the stereo. This is the Fusion stereo system. Obviously the head unit is right here. We've got speakers all the way around the boat, in the bow, in the cockpit, and they're actually kind of, you can't really see them. They're all kind of covered throughout the boat. Just makes it look a little bit nicer, which is a great thing to have. There is a subwoofer and an amplifier as well. As we come to the bow, 26 feet, we've got nice space up here in the bow. I've got some nice armrests that do fold down. I've got storage underneath the seats. I got some storage in the floor, cup holders all over the place. And then this boat was optioned with the windlass anchor, and then I have access to that windlass anchor up here as well. So great boat from Sea Ray. The SLX has a lot of different features. There's different options you can choose from, but this is the one we have here in our Minnesota location. If you'd like to come see it, give us a call, set up an appointment, or just stop on by, and we'd love to show it to you. As always, click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day. Thank you.